Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be answering another frequently asked question on SAT math calculator use. So this question says, what are the best Casio calculator tricks for SAT math? Guys, there are various calculator tricks for SAT math. Some of them include the basic ones. We have using the equation solver mode, solving simultaneous equations, using the polynomial solver, performing quick fraction and decimal conversions, very important, using the statistics mode for data analysis questions. Okay, so guys, in this my channel, when you come to my playlist section, you will see detailed videos on how to use scientific calculator, Casio in particular, to solve either algebra, okay, even trigonometry, statistics and the rest of them. But for your information, please, if you are buying Casio calculator, don't buy Casio FS 1 ES Plus. Rather buy either Casio FS 1 ES Class Weeks or Casio FS CD50, Casio FS CD50 graphic calculator, yes, or you buy Casio FS 1 CW. Either of these versions of the Casio calculator, okay, they have better features, with latest features on them to help you deal with advanced math problems easily. Okay, so if you have any of these three calculators for Casio versions, come to my playlist, check the specific playlist for either algebra or statistics, and then watch the videos. I'm glad you did. You learn various techniques on how to use such calculator for start maths. Okay, so I hope I answered this question correctly for you. I'll see you in my next video.